Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day. This is Mark with A&M Prospecting. Today we're going to be doing some blue bowl action. We're going to be running some crushed ore through and see how we make out with it. Show you the ore. The ore's right here. These two buckets. It's screened. Our rinse station's over here. Claude's using it right now. How's it going, Claude?
Wonderful.
Well, anyway, we'll get back to you. Alright, now we're just putting, we washed it, so now we're putting it in the blue bowl there. Bugger it up a little bit. Alright, now we're getting ready. We're ready. We'll get back to you when we have some more action. Here we're getting the sawtooth cup. That's pretty good. Alright, we're on bowl number 2. So I forgot to record what I snuffed up in our first bowl, but it was looked pretty good. So we'll let this one wind down a bit and I'll bring you back. Alright. It's not going to focus in there, but just thought I'd bring you in for a minute. Some great channels here, guys. Awesome stuff. There's some more on here. Take it easy. I guess before I forget again, I already snuffed half it up. Anyway, that's what's happening. Yes, you'll be fine. Just thought I'd bring this back and show you bowl number 3. We're also going to try another method tomorrow with the green mat sluice, cleanup sluice. Let's see if it makes any difference. Alright, we'll be back. Down there. It might be caught. Alright, we're gonna sift some of this. Classify, I guess. This stuff will all end up in the crusher. Looks like a 10 mesh, I guess. Kitchen strainer. Oops, don't want to be spilling that. Alright, that's enough for now. Alright, now we're at the rinse station. Mix this up really good. I put jet dry in this as well, or surfactant, however you want to look at it. The more we rinse this here, the longer our water will last inside the tub. Takes a few times. Alright, I'll finish that up. I'll show you some specimens out on the handrail. I don't think there's any gold in these, but they're pretty neat. All kinds. See that? Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. It's pretty neat. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. And big thumbs up. We need those thumbs up. We are a little low on those. But anyway, comments are great. I love them. I read them all, and I respond to all of them as well. Talk to you later.